Some of you at that stage of disease where you feel helpless, where you feel hopeless. The medicines are not working. You're just feeling like, when is this ever going to end? A lot of people say, hey, Luke, why don't you create a supplement company? You know, it's a great idea, but I've never really taken to it because I don't believe that these supplements can solve all our problems. If there was a pill that I could create, which would be the most powerful medicine ever, it would be sleep. And I'm not talking about sleeping pills. I'm not talking about melatonin. I'm talking about the most powerful drug that you and I have, that is deep sleep. The one thing that you have to activate right away is deep sleep, because I promise you one thing, we all forget the intelligence that we have within us. Our bodies are designed to heal us if we create the right environment. You know, today I was speaking to a patient who had Alzheimer's, and all I could think of is the missing foundation, sleep. It is in sleep that everything works better. Your medicine works better. Your supplements work better. The natural intelligence of your body works better. And because we sleep well, we can have better emotional health. We have people in their 40s saying, hey, Luke, it feels like I have dementia. I can't remember anything. You know, and we're blaming it on our work. We're blaming it on moving too fast. Yes, all of these are valid reasons. But most of these people, when I ask them about their sleep, they're sleeping 4 hours. They're sleeping 5 hours. Prevention is the key word, and that's why we're doing this today. We're looking at how foundation medicine looks at sleep. So number one, y'all all know that body has a lymphatic system. It's your body's garbage disposal system. You have a problem with your lymphatic system, you have a problem with your lymph nodes, your immune system, cancers, tumors, etc. But the brain has a glymphatic system. It is only activated when we are sleeping deeply. So there is no supplement in the world that can clean your brain. There is no medicine in the world that can do this. There is no superfood that can do it. People say, hey, Luke, what about magnesium, threonate? Great, very promising, fantastic magnesium, but it is only for energy in the brain. It helps with fatigue, a little bit of brain fog. It does not clean your brain. So it's important for us to understand we have poor decision making. We make poor emotional decisions. So it is with your work, your business, etc. You want to make sure you're making the right emotional decisions, and sleep is extremely important. Now let's talk about hormones. No matter what you do with your estrogen, your progesterone, your testosterone, sleep regulates your key hormones. If your sleep is messed up, you will go on taking hormonal therapies, constantly live a life of struggle. We want to learn how to live life. Most people are just surviving life. There is no medicine that can work better than sleep when it comes to regulating your hormones. Your sleep can be one of your most powerful diet plans too. You can eat the best food in the world, but if your sleep is messed up, you have metabolic and hormonal issues. All detoxification happens while we sleep. Now, it's important for us to understand what is the solution. I'm giving you solutions. Number one, fix your sleep time and your wake up time. Sleep consistency. It is so important. If it's 11, then make it 11. But sleep every day at 11. For some people, it's 12, sleep at 12. Of course, it's better if you try to get the first 2 to 3 hours before midnight. That's just circadian medicine. And fix your wake up time. This is so important. Now, if you cannot fix your sleep time, I want you to fix your wake up time. So even if you slept at 2 a.m. but your wake up time is 6, you will wake up at 6, no matter how tired and how messed up your day is going to be. But what's going to happen over time as the sleep pressure and sleep debt builds? The quality of your sleep will also improve. Then the next thing that we can do is, of course, coffee. Please limit your coffee. Next most powerful thing, create a sleep wind down ritual. Your brains need to know that you're up preparing for sleep. So what does that mean? Start to dim the lights, you take that book out that you're going to read, or I got my blue blockers on. These are blue blockers. All right, I wear this the moment the sun sets because I'm looking at a light, I'm looking at the phone. I don't want that interfering with my melatonin. Your brain loves routines, and this will also help you sleep. This is really powerful. You can take as much of medicine as you want, as your doctor's given you. I'm not here to tell you to get off your meds. You can watch 100 reels in a day. You can do what you want, but never forget the foundations that the body requires. Everything else is secondary. Music, such a beautiful way. Why music? When you listen to calming music, it activates every part of your brain and you sleep deeply. And as we age, 60s, 70s, women, as you'll go through menopause, yes, your sleep cycles will reduce. You want to focus not on the quantity of sleep, but on the depth of your sleep. And before I end this, if this helped you, like the video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more simple science-backed healing.